808s, we all love them so much. They are an extremely important element of your beats. If done right, your beats will sound incredible. However, if done wrong, your beat will be destroyed. So, good thing I have 5 808 secrets in FL Studio. First of all, it's super important to know the difference between cutting off an 808 and using the envelope. You should always use one of these two, otherwise your beat will sound like this. Now let me show you cut itself first. Just right-click the sample in the channel rec and select cut itself. Now when your 808 plays, the last note will be cut off when the next note starts playing. That way they won't overlap. However, it doesn't matter how long this note is, it will always play the entire sample. Sometimes you just want the 808 to play for just a moment, like this. Let me show you how to do that. In the channel rec, open up the sample properties. Then on top, go to the envelope. In here you can see the envelope. It shows you how the sample will behave when it's being played. Now to get maximum control of the sample, turn down every knob in the envelope. Then set the hold knob to 100%. Now in the piano roll, the 808 will play for as long as your note is. That will allow you to create stutters or pauses in your pattern. It's truly amazing. Next, it's incredibly important to have high quality samples, which is why as a bonus trick, I have the free Supreme Drums teaser kit for you guys. All you need to do is click the link down below and you can start making fire beats. Trick number 2, using distortion. There are so many ways to use distortion, but I found an easy one. First, make sure your 808 is sent to a mixer track, of course. Then on the mixer track, add a fruity fast distortion effect. Once it's open, go to the preset menu. I actually never played with these, but some of them are really good. For example, this something preset. Of course, turn down the mix and play with it until you're satisfied. For the amount of work, that sounds really well. Oh, and you can also use saturation on your 808s, but that's for another video. Trick number 3, automating the mix knob of the distortion plugin. Sometimes you don't want the 808 to sound the same throughout the entire song. So to quickly fix that, right-click the mix knob of your distortion and choose Create Automation Clip. Now in the playlist, adjust the clip so that in some areas of your song, such as when the chorus drops, the 808 will sound more distorted and aggressive. This will really blow the listener away and they won't even know how you did it. Number 4, layering 808s. This one is experimental, but don't be afraid. You don't need to layer them on top of each other like this. That would make the bass clash. Make sure both samples are playing the same note. Then all you need to do is drag them both into each other until this crossfade will appear. Now adjust the crossfade to turn both samples into one. If needed, you can also play with the gain of both the clips to match the loudness. You can actually do this with anything. That's how you create unique samples. Trick number 5, creating slides in the piano roll. To do that, simply drag a note in the piano roll. Now you always want to slide into a direction, up or down. So we're gonna start from this note and slide all the way up to this one. The shorter the top note is, the faster the slide will be. Now double click the note and enable the slide feature. That's all you need to know. Next, sidechaining your 808 will make a huge difference. So to continue the lesson, click the video right here on my left. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay creative.